Hey guys, you already know who it is. It's Tony from National RV Detroit. Got this 2022 brand new Salem Cruise Lite, 24-foot with bunk beds. Awesome layout. It's been a while since I had this one in stock. It's got the outside kitchen with the flat top griddle. Quick connect water hose comes with this. That goes right there, so you can rinse off your hands, rinse off your feet, rinse off the grill. Oh, there's your hose right here. Brand new in the bag. You have a second door that goes right into your bathroom. So if you're camping hanging out at the campfire, you're drinking, having a good time, you don't want people walking through your camper, or you don't want to be walking through your camper because you might not make it to the bathroom, well, easy access right there, in and out. And yeah, it has a door so you can close it, or you can use a potty in nature. All right, going inside here. Big U-shaped dinette. Your roll-up dish dryer. Or you can prep fruit or other food on there. Big residential fridge. Very nice. Stove, oven. Here's your bunk beds. These are spaced out pretty good, and these aren't as tall as some other ones. And you get a ladder, which a lot of manufacturers don't give you a ladder with the bunk beds. Salem does. Huge, massive pantry that I've ever seen in a travel trailer. Way underneath too. I love it. Oh, they give you these storage totes like all the other Salems. Oh, these big dry food approved stackable bins. You actually get 2 of them in this unit. Most other Salems you'll get a couple more because they'll have a couch and a dinette. This is basically all you need. Get you out there camping. Starts you off. Still have the fireplace that does produce heat if you wanted to. It'll heat up to 500 square feet. You can fit up to a 50-inch TV in this model. If I'm going too fast, you can always screenshot this or pause the video to see all these top features that it comes with. The master suite. You can mount a TV in the wall in here. Storage underneath the bed. You have a spot underneath for your shoes. These are your shoes under there. And those little cloth totes come with it. If you have things in your storage area from the outside and you stick them too far in and you can't reach them, no worries. You can lift up the bed and access it right there. So, and in the middle of the night, you ain't gonna walk outside to go check in the storage bin. And then you get a laundry chute that comes with it. And you load it up inside. On the outside, there's little pull tabs. You take that net off, and you can take it from the outside storage. You take the whole net with you, bring it in the house once you're done camping. Do your laundry, or some people like to do their laundry while they're camping. That's totally up to you. Very nice looking unit. 24 feet with bunk beds. Got the nice big shower. Toilet's in the right spot. Plenty of leg room in there. I know that's the guy's worry, the toilets and the showers. I don't know if I've been mentioning it in my videos or not, but also on all the Salem models, Cruise Lights or regular Salem, they will always add these JT strong arms. They come standard from Salem. Once you run your jacks down, which they give you a socket that comes with each and every one of these. You stick it in your house drill, run those down. Once those come down, these automatically come down, and you just tighten that T on top. Just has to be finger tight, doesn't have to be extremely tight. Just make sure these are loose when you go to bring your jacks down, because you will bend that bar if you crank it too hard. But yeah, just make sure it's loose, bring it down, tighten it. Now once those are all tightened all the way around, this camper is going to be so sturdy and straight, it's not going to rock around or move at all whatsoever. Well, I shouldn't say whatsoever, but it really, really helps. Makes a big difference. Thank you guys again.